प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। यज्ञशिष्टामृतभुजः यान्ति ब्रह्मसनातनम् नायं लोकोऽस्त्ययज्ञस्य कुतोऽन्यः कुरु सत्तमा। Bhagavan Shri Krishna talked about 12 different types of yajnas or spiritual sadhanas, the most important one among them being Brahma Jnana Yajna. Rest of the yajnas gives purity of mind, Chitta Shuddhi, and leads a person to Brahma Jnana Yajna, which in turn leads to liberation or mukti. Thus, all other yajnas other than Brahma Jnana Yajna are indirect means to moksha. That is called parampara moksha sadhana. Brahma Jnana alone is the direct means to moksha, sakshat moksha sadhana. Yajna shishta amrita bhujaha. Yajna shishta means whatever is left over, the residue after the yajna. Generally, while doing homa, whatever is left over after chanting swaha should not be put again in the homa kunda. A small vessel has to be kept near, and the leftovers are to be put in that vessel only. The leftover annam or ghee are handled only in this manner. That is known as yajna shesha. When we are unable to offer a dravya completely in the Agni, whatever is sticking to our hand after swahakara is put in a vessel. That is taken as a prasadam later. This is the practice followed in Agni-related rituals. In spiritual life, while doing Panchamahayajnas also, one has to consume only after contributing to the society. Sharing with others before eating is the culture and tradition of this Bharata Desha. One who consumes after contributing in this manner through the spiritual disciplines of yajna, his food is said to be amrita. Amrita is that which is capable of blessing one's mind with purity, concentration, values and wisdom. Thus, the persons who consume after contributing through the yajnas are called yajna shishta amrita bhujaha. After taking care of everyone around, one should also take care of oneself. It's very important to take care of oneself because without this physical body, one cannot do noble deeds. In another context, and the Vedas also, it is cautioned that one should not kill oneself by practicing austerity. Yajna shishtamrita bhujaha sanatanam brahma yanti. Those who have dedicated themselves to these yajnas know the eternal, all-pervading, ultimate reality. We should understand this in the correct sense. Only through Brahma Jnana Yajna one can realize the ultimate reality. All other yajnas help us realize the ultimate reality through Brahma Jnana Yajna. In the second line, Bhagavan says, Ayajnasya ayam lokaha nasti. One who does not do yajna will not get human birth again. He will get only lower births. One who is selfish will have to suffer in the next birth. We will accept this if we have Shraddha in the principle of rebirth. Otherwise, one will ignore this as a myth. But a situation will come in life when one has to intellectually accept this fact. As one becomes older, one will gain mental maturity to know the ultimate reality. A person who has not done any yajna in this birth will not get human birth in future. Bhagavan addresses Arjuna as Kuru Sattama, the best among Kuru Vamsha. Anyah kutaha. How will one get peace of mind and happiness in the later stage of this life itself? If human birth itself is not possible, and he cannot go to Brahmaloka or Swargaloka, then what to talk about other higher births? He will have to suffer more and more. Thus, it is very important for everyone to perform these 12 yajnas. We have to carefully do all these yajnas, gain jnanam, and thus realize moksha or absolute liberation. Yajna shishtamrita bhujaha yanti brahma sanatanam nayam lokostya yajnasya kutonyah kuru sattama. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om.